Hi, today I'm going to show you how to convert a Base44 site into a WordPress theme. So first, use the Base44 export feature to download your website complete source code including HTML, CSS, JavaScript and assets. So navigate to apps, choose the app that you have worked on and want to work with, then click on the export icon and choose export project as zip. Now upgrade your plan because zip file export is only available on Builder, Pro, Elite or Enterprise plan. Now, after exporting your zip file, you'll have to basically set up a WordPress theme folder. So, what you'll have to basically do is create a new folder for your theme. You can name this folder anything you want. Then, add essential WordPress theme files like style.css with theme info at the top, then index.php with main template file, header.php with the site header section, footer.php for site footer section, and functions.php that is for theme functionality. Then copy your Base44 site's HTML content into WordPress template files appropriately. So you'll have to copy the header element into header.php, footer element into footer.php, main body content into index.php or other template. Then link CSS and JS files properly using WordPress functions like wp-enqueue-style and wp-enqueue-script in functions.php. Then replace static content with dynamic WordPress template tags to enable content management. Package and upload your theme. So compress your theme folder into a zip file. So after doing all these, you'll have to basically compress your theme folder into a zip file and upload it through website WordPress admin. So navigate to WordPress dashboard and choose appearance. Then choose themes and here you'll have to click on install new theme option. Then upgrade to a business plan to access the theme install feature. After upgrading, you'll have the option to choose the zip file to upload. After uploading your zip file, activate your new theme and customize if needed. So this process transforms your Base44 static site into a dynamic manageable WordPress theme compatible with the CMS ecosystem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.